Today, we're diving into Higgsfield, one of the fastest-growing AI video platforms in 2026. This platform is specifically built for creators who want to make cinematic content without a massive studio or editing skills. Imagine taking an idea from your mind, typing it out, and watching it transform into a professional quality video in just minutes. With access to Nano Banana Pro, Kling 2.6 audio, WAN 2.5, and the brand new Cinema Studio, Higgsfield brings together the best AI models in one single platform. If you can describe a scene, you can create a film-like shot, complete with lighting, camera motion, and even synchronized audio. Today, I'll walk you through how it works, show you a full workflow, and share advanced tips for getting professional cinematic results. Let's start with Nano Banana Pro, the next-generation image engine. What sets it apart is its ability to create production-ready 2K and 4K visuals. Unlike many AI tools that produce blurry or inconsistent images, Nano Banana Pro keeps text legible, diagrams logical, and faces consistent across multiple angles. For example, if you want to generate a complex scene like a futuristic cityscape with flying drones, Nano Banana Pro ensures every detail is in the right place. You can also upscale lower resolution images to crisp 4K, so even if your initial output isn't perfect, you can get cinematic quality quickly. This is perfect for creators who want visuals that feel polished, intentional, and ready for professional use. Next up is Kling 2.6 Audio, a truly revolutionary tool for audiovisual alignment. One of the biggest challenges in AI video generation is syncing visuals with audio, and Kling 2.6 solves this seamlessly. It can generate complete scenes with native voices, ambient sounds, and effects in a single pass. Imagine creating a rainy city street scene. The sound of raindrops, distant traffic, footsteps, and a narrator's voice all appear perfectly synchronized without extra plugins or editing. Motion fidelity is also improved, which means objects move naturally, camera paths are smoother, and scenes feel alive. In short, it's a one-stop solution for making full cinematic shots in minutes. WAN 2.5 is Higgsfield's uncensored, culture-native video model. It's ideal for bold, internet-ready content, allowing you to include celebrities, stylized prompts, and culturally nuanced scenes. It handles audio and motion in one pass, including lip sync, voiceovers, SFX, and camera movement, all aligned perfectly on the first render. This model is perfect for creators looking to produce TikTok videos, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels with consistent, high-quality visuals. You can generate clips up to 10 seconds long and in multiple aspect ratios, maintaining full 1080p resolution. The crown jewel is Cinema Studio, the first ever end-to-end AI filmmaking pipeline. This tool lets you take a text prompt and go from concept to fully finished video without ever leaving the platform. You don't need multiple apps or plugins. Everything from composition, lighting, and camera angles to cinematic aesthetics are handled automatically. Cinema Studio even uses real cinema cameras and lens profiles as style anchors to ensure your shots remain visually coherent throughout. Whether you're making a short film, an ad, or a cinematic YouTube video, Cinema Studio brings professional production quality directly to your computer. Let's see this in action. I start by selecting Nano Banana Pro to generate visuals. For today's demo, I'll create a sunset skyline with birds flying in slow motion. I type a detailed prompt describing the scene, the camera angle, and the lighting. Within seconds, the AI produces a crisp cinematic frame. Next, I switch to Kling 2.6 audio to layer ambient sounds, a gentle background score, and a narrator voice. Finally, I render the video in Cinema Studio, which handles motion, scene transitions, and framing to create a polished short film. In less than 10 minutes, I have a professional AI-generated cinematic video ready for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. One of the most exciting aspects of Higgsfield is how it empowers creativity. Even if you have never directed a film or edited a video, this platform lets you become a filmmaker instantly. You no longer need expensive cameras, lighting rigs, or post-production tools. Higgsfield does the heavy lifting, so you can focus on ideas. Compared to other AI tools, Higgsfield excels in speed, quality, and workflow simplicity. Many platforms require juggling multiple tools or generating assets separately, but here, everything happens within one unified environment. The result is faster production times, fewer mistakes, and videos that actually feel cinematic and intentional, rather than AI-generated gimmicks. When creating content, I like to show before and after comparisons. It's incredible to see raw prompts transformed into crisp, dynamic shots with professional lighting, motion, and character consistency. The more advanced your prompt, including emotions, camera angles, lighting conditions, or text overlays, the more cinematic your output becomes. Another major advantage is multi-platform content creation. With one prompt, you can generate videos optimized for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or other formats without repeating the workflow. Nano Banana Pro ensures characters remain consistent across multiple shots, making storytelling coherent and professional even in longer sequences. The Higgsfield Media Kit provides incredible inspiration. Ready-to-use scenes, cinematic templates, and concept assets can spark ideas, accelerate production, and help creators learn advanced techniques. You can experiment with upscaling visuals, tweaking lighting, or generating multiple aspect ratios for different platforms, all in real time. The beauty of this workflow is seeing your edits instantly reflected in the video. You type a tweak and the AI adjusts the scene seamlessly. Finally, Higgsfield encourages creativity. It doesn't limit you to conventional ideas. If you can imagine it, you can create it. You could make a futuristic sci-fi short, a cinematic ad for your brand, or even an AI-generated short film in minutes. This platform truly democratizes filmmaking, putting cinematic storytelling in the hands of everyone. Higgsfield is redefining AI video creation, combining speed, quality, and creativity in one platform. From first frame to finished video, it's cinematic, creator-friendly, and incredibly versatile. Try it today at higgsfield.ai and bring your ideas to life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more